Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by identifying your target users and listing their top 3 needs clearly. Next, set measurable goals such as 10,000 downloads in 6 months and a 25% retention rate. Research 3 competitor apps and note features, pricing, and user review themes to inform your positioning. Define your unique value proposition in one sentence so it is easy to repeat. Choose primary metrics to track like downloads, daily active users, and average revenue per user. Create a 30-second demo and a 60-second demo that highlight your key features. Produce 5 high-quality App Store screenshots with captions and a 16:9 promotional banner for ads. Write an app description of 250 to 300 words and include 3 target keywords for search optimization. Prepare a press kit with 1-paragraph company bio, feature list, and 3 customer quotes. Export icons and images in required sizes for both iOS and Android stores. Run a 2-week per-launch campaign to collect 5,000 email signups and beta users. Begin paid user acquisition with to 0 daily budgets per channel and monitor cost per install closely. Launch on both iOS and Android simultaneously and set up analytics for attribution and funnel tracking. Use influencer outreach to secure 3 micro-influencers and 2 reviewers for launch week coverage. Continuously optimize with a /B tests on icons, screenshots, and descriptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.